Speaking of all these cryptocurrencies, China wants a piece of it. We talked about this in the past. A lot of nations, they want to have their very own crypto. And this is one that the crypto types that we were talking about earlier, they don't buy this one. They're like, wait a sec. The government? That's as central can get.
Yeah, isn't that the opposite of decentralization?
That's one they all agree on. So India was talking about outlawing all private cryptos in favor of its own national. China, of course, wants to do the same thing. And in order to incentivize the adoption of their very own crypto, they're going to hand out $1.5 million in digital currency during a test for the Lunar New Year. So for Chinese New Year, you hand the envelopes. Mm-hmm. So they're kind of trying to play up that whole theme and make it so the government is handing out envelopes except with digital.
What's in the envelopes? Is it digital?
Digital money, yeah. So it would be 50,000 packets of around $30. So it will be a total of 10 million in Chinese currency. I think a lot of people want $30.
Yeah.
A free 30.
But what's in there though?
What do you mean?
Is it like a little code or something that they have to redeem?
Oh,
like,
I don't know. Do
physically?
you get an actual physical envelope? I thought it was like a digital.
Oh yeah, I mean it could be.
I think
like
it's a digital
email.
envelope.
Yeah. Okay, that makes more sense.
That'd be cool. It's a physical envelope that's just on the street. No. You have to apply for a chance to be a recipient. It's a trial that will select 50,000 from a pool of applicants to receive the $30 in digital currency. And then recipients can spend the money at offline locations or e-commerce sites like JD.com, which is a huge, maybe second biggest, I'm not sure, but huge e-commerce site, very Amazon-like, but in China. So they're trying to play off the holiday, attach themselves to the holiday, put a good mood around it, and give away a freebie. So people are like, that was easy. That was cool. I just put my code in. Sweet. I love this digital currency. Let me transition completely to it. What's Bitcoin? You know what I'm saying? Well, that's the plan. But anyway, it's kind of cool. I mean, it's an interesting experiment nonetheless. But it's not crypto.
No.